So, nasa Greenbelt kami today. Bumili na kami ng regalo ng kapatid ni Jess kasi birthday niya. Mimitter namin yung other friends namin dito. Pero ngayon papunta kami to meet si RM. You might have seen him na sa past vlog ko. Ito yung aso nila RM sa UP. Friends na kami. Eh, ba't nag-ano pa siya kanina? Naglabas ng pangil?
Hindi ko alam. Baka nairita.
So, ngayon nasa Shank kami. I-meet namin yung friend namin, si Stipay. And others. We'll just hang out kasi dito si Stipay sa Manila for a while. Mag-hangout lang kami sa room niya. Swimming, ganun. Bonding. Hihi. Oo nga eh. Paano yung papayos? Nakita namin sila RM Dings kanina eh. Ha? Ito yung room ni Stipay. Ang ganda ng curvatures ng hotel. Nagkakaiba. Oo. So apparently, sa part na to, may meron siyang weird na acoustic. Ayan. As in like, ang weird. Yung acoustic dito, like parang may echo. Echo. Ewan ko capture makita nyo. Pero sobrang kakaiba. Sobrang weird. Hello. Just like ko lang si Bene. Dito na siya. Ito si Bene. Ha?
Grabe, part na ako ng vlog ni Rufy. Ay, bawal magmura.
Hindi. Ako, pwede na i-beep lang namin.
Di.
Wait lang. Huwag muna kayo mag-usap ng ganyan. Magre-record ako ng pagkain. Mag-usap lang ng pagkain. Thank you po, Candy. Grabe, mabait po. Salamat, Candy, sa lahat ng mga naging ex ni Nash. Or I mean, naging girlfriend. Thank you, Candy, sa lahat ng mga naging girlfriend ni Nash. Siya lang nagpadala eh. Ikaw lang nagpadala ever ng pagkain sa akin. Shop yard. Ito yung tarot reading ni Nash.
Some quiet happiness, it says, that it's your current state. Hi everyone, Rufy is a bit cranky and he's quite busy ordering food right now. So it's our anniversary today and we're supposed to have activities starting at 12 and we left the condo around 11 and we're still gonna get food because we haven't eaten yet. So yeah, he's a bit cranky and it's I guess it's my fault because I took a while to get ready. Yeah.
Actually, fourth wedding anniversary na namin ni Jasmine. Yeah, pero it's not off to a great start. Pero hindi naman kami nag-aaway. Yung mga situations, shock circumstances lang. Hindi naman talaga... Ako, hindi naman sabi hindi favorable, pero I guess gipit na naman sa oras. Pero okay lang naman. So ngayon, meron kaming activity, escape room kaming dalawa lang, tapos dalawang rooms. Yeah. Currently kasi 11:21 AM na, tapos 12 noon yung una na escape room yung schedule namin. Yeah, kailangan muna namin kumain. So I think abot naman kami. If ever di kami umabot, edi at least less time to solve it. Ibig sabihin mas mataas yung difficulty. So pinahirapan namin sarili namin kung di kami umabot dun sa 12 noon na escape. So yeah, masaya yung wedding anniversary. Off to a great start. At least so far di namin makakalimutan.
So far, it's not as bad as last year.
It's not as bad as last
So
year.
far.
Siguro sa mga nakakilala sa akin, alam yung nangyari sa wedding anniversary namin last year. Pero so far, it's not as bad as last year. Sana, hindi umabot sa ganun. Kakataas sa amin kumain.
Speedrun.
Nag-speedrun kami. Pero na-enjoy pa rin namin yung win kahit pa paano. Kahit pabilis. 11:38 na. We have like 20 more plus minutes before we go there. Before kami pumunta doon. Actually, itong Taco Bell, hindi talaga ako fan ng Taco Bell. Pero si Jess kasi parang it reminds her of her childhood. Yeah, pero me not really a fan of it. So ngayon, naglalakad na kami papunta dun sa escape room. Pangalan niya Left Behind?
Yes.
Yeah, Left Behind. Dati na-try ko na yung Mystery Manila eh. Pero this one, hindi ko pa na-try. So, let's see kung okay siya.
Kind of looks scary, right?
Medyo scary ba?
I don't know. I mean, from the photos.
Oh yeah, hindi lang namin mava-vlog yung yung escape room dahil kasi bawal. Gets naman kung bakit. Pero, kwento na lang namin sa yung kamusta after. Kasi na So, itatest namin yung marriage namin dito. Kung, well, for sure, mas magaling si Jess. Pero kung hindi kami mag-aaway. So, yung gagawin namin dito is yung basement. At saka yung the mines. So, yung madali pala yung banyo, no? Hindi ko lang pinili ito kasi baka nasty, eh. Bye, guys. Lagay na namin sa locker yung stuff namin.
A few moments later.
Hello. Natapos na kami dun sa first. Hindi namin natapos.
60%.
60% lang. Pero maganda yung...
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's actually good.
Creative.
Yeah, it's creative yung puzzle. Yung escape room. So may isa pa kami in the mines. Hindi namin alam kung... Hindi pa ako ready. Pero mas mahirap daw yung the mines.
It's harder, and we didn't finish this one.
Harder daw yung the mines.
It was
Pero,
a warm-up.
yeah. Pero actually feel ko kung mas madaming tao, baka mas
Yeah,
kaya
yeah.
yun. 60% tas ang dami pa namin natirang puzzles. Pero fun, maganda yung creative yung puzzles. Masaya siya. Rest lang kami. Tas may isa pa kami in the mines. Sige.
A few moments later.
Hello guys. Hindi namin natapos yung the mines. 50% lang. May 2 doors pa na talaga kailangan i-open. Actually, may part kasi na madilim. Medyo natakot kami dun kaya nawala kami ng oras. Tsaka medyo mahirap nga yung puzzle pero maganda. Maganda yung paggagawa ng escape room. It's actually creative. I would recommend Left Behind. Yeah. Pero di namin na-solve. Na-test pa marriage namin. Okay lang. Di naman kami nag-away. So, na-test. Saan galing itong doctor mo? So, tinatry lang namin itong Doc Donuts. Freshly made donuts siya. Just got strawberry ice. Tapos ako glazed. Tapos kumuha rin si Jess ng vanilla milkshake. Try natin. Sobrang umay na agad ako. And now we're gonna go to the most romantic part of the day. Grocery shopping. Bread na usually di namin nabibili. Uy, nakakaya na i-showcase yung mga pinagbibili natin. So yeah, pili ka na lang. So ngayon, tapos kami dito sa circuit. Enjoy naman namin yung Na-enjoy namin yung escape room actually. Tapos ngayon punta kami ng mag-dinner or di-dinner kami ni Jess. No wet wipes. Yung usual kong gamit na wet wipes, pwede mo dalhin anywhere. Kahit ano siya kalit, pag kailangan. Basta wet wipes. Hindi pala ito sponsored. Gusto ko lang talaga yung product. Ustel, baka naman. Baka naman, Ustel. So, pauwi na kami. Kakataas na namin mag-dinner. Kaya actually, masarap ng dinner na kinain namin. So, ngayon pauwi kami. So far, yeah, okay yung anniversary namin, success naman. Sinasabi namin success dahil kasi last year, I ended up hospital last year nung anniversary namin. 15 minutes into dinner, na-hospital ako. Kasi nabulunan, tas may na-stock na pagkain sa throat ko, sobrang gutom ko, tsaka excited kumain nung time na yun. So yeah, wala naman nangyaring ganun. Oh, memorable siya. Sige, bye. Uwi na kami.
Today we have a free day, so we're going to make some things with air dry clay. So what we're planning to make is a stand or a handle for our mic, so that when we hand it off to people, they can use the handle. So this mic is magnetized in the back, so it actually comes with this other magnet where you can slip it in your shirt or wherever so that it sticks. So we have our own magnets here that we're going to somehow put into the air dry clay, so that when we use that handle, it can automatically stick on it. Hopefully, it will be a success.
So ito yung gamit ng air dry clay namin. So yan, binubuksan ni Jess. Yan, tinatanggal din yan. Kailangan mo ng water. Importante yung water pag gagamit ka ng air dry clay para sculpt. Binibilog na ni Jess para makagawa siya ng mahabang cylinder shape. And ayun yung magiging yung hawakan ng mic na balak namin gawin. Next is gagawin niya yung top ng mic kung saan didikit yung magnet ng transmitter mic namin. Lalagyan ng magnet yan. Ayan yung base form niya. Yeah. See? Oh, ganda ng nails ni Jess, oh. Oh, yeah, it's medyo dirty yung pag-work dito. Ayun, ilabas na ni Jess yung mga sculpting tools niya. So, ayan, in-sculpt na ni Jess yung paw. Yung middle of the paw, ayan, pinapakita niya kung ano yung gagawin niya. Oh, yan na daw. Tapos na agad. Grabe, bilis talaga, ang galing. And so, pinapakita ni Just didikit, kung ano sure pag nakadikit na, ayan, didikit na niya yung magnet. Ayan, didikit na niya yung handle tsaka yung top ng mic.
This is our peg. So that's what Rufy is working on.
I'm making the paw bean and claws.
You're taking so long for these small ones. You're taking so long.
Kasi mas mahirap yung mga malilit kasi detailed siya eh.
Detailed? What are the details in there?
Ikaw gumawa. Hindi mo siya makikita sa camera pero it looks, I wanted to make it look soft and squishy.
Now we just have to wait for it to dry for 2 hours?
Hindi 24 hours.
24 hours to attach these?
Well,
You can attach them after 2 hours, and then we can let it rest for 24 hours, and then we can paint it.
Pero nagmamadali kasi si Jess.
Just to attach these,
Excited masyado.
because I think it's so cute.